So we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. Nothing new for anybody that's had any experience in crypto year after year after year. What are the differences that you see? Is this a significant pullback, or are the significant things this year more positive in your view about crypto?
It's great to see you, Joe. And I would definitely say that I'm excited for 2022. And whenever we talk about crypto returns, I do like to pull back and look at the big picture. So if you look at what you can call the pandemic return for Bitcoin, so the 2-year return as of today, Bitcoin is actually up 416%. So this 40K level is actually very exciting for most crypto investors. In that time frame, gold and the S&P 500 respectively have returned 15% and 42%. So Bitcoin is definitely a volatile asset. But as we look forward to 2022, there are 2 key things that I'm really excited for this year. In 2021, we saw a record amount of VC funding go into the crypto space. We saw around 30 billion go into crypto, and that's a 450% increase from 2021. So I do think that this year you're going to see crypto companies hiring stronger talent and just really good momentum as products begin to mature. And second, I do think that crypto has become a clear center for innovation in the US at a time where we are looking to stimulate the economy. So if you look at last year, crypto-related job postings grew 395%. And if you compare that to the tech industry, tech came in at just 98%. So overall, it is a volatile start to the year. It's definitely something that crypto investors are used to, but I'm definitely excited for what's ahead. The
space is changing, obviously, and you are kind of at the forefront of that in terms of all these ancillary products that you're offering. Regulatory issues front and center again. You think that goes from a negative overhang to resolving itself in a positive way eventually this year?
Absolutely. So I can't give you the exact timelines for regulators, but what I can say is that since the beginning, regulatory clarity is something that founders and anyone building in the space definitely needs. So, if you're coming from financial services, you know that the rules come first. And in order for this space to really grow, I do think that consumers and investors alike need clarity from regulators in terms of how should companies be managing, how should builders be building. And with that clarity comes a sense of trust and safety. And I do think that a lot of consumers and investors alike have been sitting on the sidelines waiting to either move into the space from an employment standpoint or move into the space from an investment perspective. And they've been waiting for this regulatory clarity to come about. So if we do get clarity from regulators in the beginning of this year, I do think that'll allow the entire crypto industry to kind of move to a level 2 in terms of how we build and how much we can grow.